Hey friends, we are here to do a little mini madness sesh. The video is probably going to be pretty short. As it always is, it's very easy to spend money, especially when you're doing an extra spicy mini madness. So we're going to work on Would You Rather Taco Edition. I have $45 here just from a little buffer in my bank account, but as you can see, we have a $5 IOU, so we're actually working with just 40 today, so I'm not gonna let this go far. We're probably gonna need that again. How are you? It is Tuesday, June 17th. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Yeah, videos might be sparse again, you guys. I don't know how in the past I was able to have a video every other day, but now I feel like I just have like no money again. I may do a super duper small Skelly book stuffing, and then I do have my YouTube check, so that would take care of videos for this week. But as far as next week, I don't have anything until I get paid, which is a cash stuffing on Friday. So all of that to say, if the videos are sparse, that's just the way it has to be, unfortunately. Okay, let's get back to this. So this is Would You Rather, the Taco Edition. This is available in my Etsy shop. I do have some other varieties. I have a Christmas, I have a Daredevil, a Travel, a Food Edition. That might be it, or there might be one more. So the way you play this is you choose one and you scratch that dot. If you want to save more, you could scratch the remaining dot on the page or not. It's up to you. But I'm doing it extra spicy. So for my choice, the first scratch, if the number is between 1 and 5, I have to triple it. And if it's between 6 and 9, I have to double it. And then I'm going to scratch the remaining circle on the page and roll a die and multiply the two numbers. And I do use the 1 through 3 die just so it doesn't get too out of hand. So let's see where we left off here. We're going to put 40 bucks on the calculator and get going. As I said, this video is probably going to be super duper quick. So we'll put 40. Let me actually see if I could, if I could zoom in a little bit. That's probably better for you guys. Okay, let's get going. Let me get my little scratcher tool. And let's see, we have jalapenos or squeeze of lime. I don't like either, but I definitely don't like spicy things. And even though I had a drink with jalapeno on the cruise that I'm sure I told you guys about that I absolutely loved, I would not want actual jalapenos on any of my food. So we're going squeeze of lime. So let's see. Okay, $3, which means I have to triple it. So that's 9 bucks. We're going to subtract from the 40. And then for this remaining one, we have to roll a die. And so we have a 6 here. Don't forget, if you have this or any of my Would You Rather binders, all the cards are in a different order. It's just too difficult to remember the exact order of them. So, you know, if you have been doing this, this card could potentially be at the front. It could be the last card. You know, it's not in any type of order. Okay, so 6. Oh, yes. 6 times 1 is 6. We are still in the game, baby. Salsa or hot sauce? When it comes to tacos, I'm gonna go salsa. I do like hot sauce, but I love a good salsa, especially on a taco. So 6 bucks. And what did we say? We have to double that. So that's going to be $12. Let me know if you guys did anything fun over the weekend. We didn't. This weekend is our barbecue. I'm very excited. Hot sauce, let's see. Yes, it's a 2. We like these low numbers. I'm excited, you guys, because we are nearing the end on this little mini madness. Maybe the next time I stuff it, I can get it finished. We're gonna see. All right, let's roll the die and multiply. They're going off screen, so sorry about that, but that was a 3. So that's gonna be 6 bucks, and we have $7 left, which means we're probably gonna have a major IOU. Okay, chicken or beef? Ooh, tough one. Okay, I'm gonna go just with, because this is a taco theme, for tacos, I choose beef. In general, I would choose chicken, but because this is specifically for tacos, I'm going beef. So let's see what we got. A 3, so we have to triple that, which is 9, which means we already have a $2 IOU. And let's see what we got here. Ooh, ouch, an 8. Okay, I'm gonna roll this die and multiply, and I am gonna hope for a 1, because if I get a 3, that is really bad news for me. So, you guys, blow on it. All right. Oh, yes. I tried to roll it so that it wasn't off screen. A 1. Yes. Okay. So that means we have a total IOU of 10. I will take it over potentially getting 27 on that. 8 times 3 is 27. Let me write down the 10 first so I don't forget. Let's see where we're at with this. So we finished this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions left. Yes, super duper exciting. Let me clean this up really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let me go ahead and grab the binder. Let me zoom out a little bit. And let's put the money in and see where we're at. Again, super quick video, but no less important for sure. Okay, so far for Mini Madness Taco Edition, no, Would You Rather Taco Edition, we have 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2. 202. Wowza. And it's actually 212 with our $10 IOU. I'm going to pop this on the front because next time when I'm planning how much to put in here, I have to try to put an additional 10. Otherwise, we're just going to have no money to play. I'm probably not going to be able to finish this next time with that $10 IOU and the spicy rules. It'll probably take me 2 more times, maybe, but that's okay. I still feel like we're getting this done pretty quick, and I'm super excited about it. Okay, that's it for this little quickie video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I am so grateful that you're here. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.